want to show you what I'm stitching on today. I'm making fun little fabric raviolis to go inside of a board book that's been prepped. These are super fun, but I've finally made friends with my Featherweight. It's finally working correctly. So grateful for repairmen who know what they're doing with those. Here's the little bag I've traveled here with my Featherweight in for my carry-on. I flew with it. I took the needle out, and then they're fine. They'll check it at TSA, but you can fly with them. They're a little heavy. I still wish modern day designers would make a more lightweight version of a tiny sewing machine for travel. So I'm getting all packed up, ready to go. But until it's time for me to pack up and head to the airport today, I'm working on these little thread masterpieces. And then I got a whole bag of buttons and such that I've made. Oh, these were gifts for me. And this one I found on the floor. Someone else dropped theirs, but I found it. So it's gonna go on mine. And this art retreat, we've learned how to enamel copper. And then, so I've got these copper pieces that have been enameled that I'll hand stitch these little buttons and bits on somewhere, whichever one I like. This one has a yo-yo. It's a very fun one. Anyway, I'm in a fabulous, fabulous French style guest house. It's been awesome and fun staying here. I'm so grateful for my friend who allowed me to stay and have such a relaxing retreat here. All right, I'm gonna zoom in and see if you can see above this light fixture at the very top of it, there's a little hummingbird nest. I'm sure it sees me and it's scared I'm about to walk out the door. Such a tiny little thing. I think these are old olive trees out in the yard. It's just gorgeous. All right. Friends, tell us what you're working on. Let us know. Share it. We'd love to see and know what's inspiring your creativity today. Y'all go do something creative. Have a good day.